All right, so I'm about to drop some game real quick, right? Not for the guys. I feel like this is gonna be for the ladies. You know what I'm saying? All the ladies that your man all of a sudden wants to, you know, start learning how to trade and that kind of stuff. Like, this is what it's gonna be. You know what I'm saying? At first, you might not understand. At first, you might think, you know, that's BS. At first, you might think that's a waste of time. But then, understand this. If your man is looking at, you know, somebody else that actually made it, you know what I'm saying? He might have a bigger vision than you are, than you can even imagine. You know what I'm saying? So if you can't really fathom his vision, you shouldn't be with him. You know what I'm saying? But if you're that female that pretty much is open to new opportunities, understands that we're in like a whole different type of time, like right now, digital time, and your man wants to learn how to trade, he's gonna be on his phone a lot, right? He's gonna be on the computer a lot. He might ignore you a lot. He might be up late, you know, on his phone a lot. He might be up late on his computer a lot. All these things are gonna happen, you know what I'm saying? But, oh yeah, and even when it comes to even you know, helping him fund his account if he's not in a position to fund his account, right? This is in a situation, right? If your man is not in a situation to fund his account, but you are in a situation that you could actually help him fund his account, knowing that he can actually get better by, you know, learning more and that kind of stuff, or even buy your man an educational package, knowing that that could actually help him move forward into whatever he actually wants to achieve. But when it comes down to it, if he needs help to fund his account, why not help him fund his account? Knowing that it might seem kind of rough now and that kind of shit, but your man eventually has the opportunity, in a sense, the opportunity and like the reach to be making thousands and thousands of dollars a couple years in. You know what I'm saying? Based off of the work that he's putting in. If he's passionate about it, he could eventually get there. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes to ladies dating a man that just is trying to learn how to trade and that kind of stuff, stick with it. Stick with him, because can it pay off tenfold, 20-fold, and then now y'all can live a friggin' marvelous life wherever y'all want to live. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like this is like probably like the roughest part when it comes to dating a trader guy, because, you know, it's gonna be a lot of changes on how he actually acts, like with his being on his phone, being on his laptop, and all that's gonna be hard to actually understand at first. But can it pay off? 10 fucking fold. So stick with your man, ride it out, because trust me, when it pays off, it pays off. And be that person to pretty much support him, even when you can't fully understand the full concept of, you know, what trading is about, or like why he's so into it and that kind of shit. Stick with it. Y'all would definitely get through it, and y'all can live it up together. You know what I'm saying? All right. So stick it out, ladies. Stick it out. You know what I'm saying? If all this is like brand new, you know what I'm saying? Just be open to new opportunities. Be open to him. You know what I'm saying? Just trying new things. You know, is it different? It's very, very different. But at the end of the day, it's something that could benefit both of y'all. You know what I'm saying? And like, why not try new opportunities, even though you know nothing about it, you know? And don't get me wrong, if it's the other way around, you know what I'm saying, so be it. Well, we do have a lot more males than females when it comes to the whole trading niche, but at the same time, seeing a female trader every now and then is always dope. You know what I'm saying? So if you're a female inside a relationship and you're trying to actually learn how to trade and that kind of stuff, you know, likewise, you know, like, you're gonna be on your phone more, blah blah blah. But you know what I'm saying, it's just kind of like you know, a little switch up at times, because I was at the bank, and then the banker was like, yeah, her man is like learning this and that. You know what I'm saying? I so happened to be walking inside there to that banker, so that was pretty cool. And yeah, I kind of just had to tell her, like, yo, yeah, man, you gotta, you know, thug it out sometimes, you know, because it's definitely a weird transition to actually go through.
Are you joining the movement? Fund his account, fund her account. Let me know in the comments section below. Please subscribe for more Forex related content. Thanks for watching.